Today is all about book chapter 2. De is 2 in French. So you are going to write another chapter. Remember, you can pick any one that you want that you've already come up with. You are not coming up with a new idea. Remember, mine is about teaching virtually. I'm not going to switch today and write about cats. That makes no sense. I'm going to keep with my teaching virtually and keep writing those chapters. So yesterday I wrote about Zoom, how to use or a story about me using Zoom. So today I'm going to pick another idea, and I thought I'd show you guys a how-to so that if you're going to write a how-to, you kind of know how that should look. How to write a how-to. Wow, too many how-tos. So I'm going to go to my next blank page. I'm going to write the date. Whatever you write, whatever today's date is. This might be a different date than what you're looking at. And I'm going to label it. It is my seesaw, but I actually want to do how to use seesaw. Remember, this is your draft, so it doesn't have to be perfect. You don't even have to use your best handwriting. See, that is not my best. I will use my best when I recopy it. So how to use seesaw. When you do a how-to, you're probably going to want to have a picture with some words. So I'm going to do boxes. Let's see, I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. And I'm going to do a box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines and a box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, obviously, you do not have to do a how-to. Maybe you chose not to do a how-to at all. But if you did choose one, this is an idea of how to make it look. So this is going to be step 1, step 2, step 3. Okay. And I am writing this for teachers. So mine is going to be a how to use Seesaw for teachers. I guess I could even say that. For teachers so they know how to like assign a worksheet or something like that. And then I'm just going to go through and really think about what do they need to know first. First, they're going to need to log in and get to their class, and then I'm going to keep going step by step. I'm going to do this off camera, be right back to show you my finished product. Okay, so I finished. I want to point out that my pictures are not amazing, but there's a reason for that. Remember, I said this is your rough draft. So you don't need to make it super, super detailed with your pictures. Your words should still be pretty good because you're going to put all the fancy details and the color and all that into your published piece in your book. So here's what mine looks like. How to use Seesaw. Number 1, log in and find your class. So that's the Seesaw sign. It doesn't look that great because I just did it fast, so I know that's what I want to draw when I do my real thing with color and everything. 2, click the add button and assign an activity. 3, you will need to create your own assignment or search for a pre-made assignment. So click that. Notice this is not a one and done kind of thing. There's lots of steps to this because anything you're doing a how-to for is going to be several steps. 4, you can upload a worksheet. I recommend adding it 5. I recommend adding in text boxes to make it easier for students. So see, I tried to draw the seesaw screen. 6, I add arrows so students can see each question they need to answer. 7, let students know if there's more than one page. And then 8, assign it by pressing the green assign button and which students to assign it to. So obviously I'll make that green when I do it, and then we'll just do squiggles that'll actually be like a worksheet showing there. I think I may add in how to grade it. I think that might be good too. So I'm going to think about adding that in. But that is what you're doing today. If you're not doing a how-to, fine, but you are doing your second chapter. So pick one of your other ones from your list and write it. Once you have it written, check that off. So you should have 2 done by the end of today. All right, get writing.